Everyone dreams of a comeback, but few people realize that the greatest comebacks don't begin with success. They begin with failure, disappointment, and moments when it feels like everything is falling apart. If you're at a low point right now, this message is for you. 1. Stop identifying with your past. One of the biggest psychological traps is believing that your mistakes define who you are. They don't. Your past is a chapter, not the entire story. Legendary comebacks happen when people decide that their future will no longer be controlled by their previous failures. 2. Use pain as fuel. Most people run from pain. The strongest people learn from it. Every setback contains a lesson. Every rejection contains information. Instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" ask, "How can this make me stronger?" That simple shift can change everything. 3. Disappear for a while. Not forever, but long enough to rebuild. Stop seeking validation. Stop announcing your plans. Spend time improving your skills, your mindset, and your discipline. The most powerful comebacks are often built in silence. 4. Focus on small wins. Many people fail because they try to change their entire life overnight. Real transformation happens one step at a time. Wake up a little earlier. Learn something new. Improve by 1% every day. Small victories create unstoppable momentum. 5. Become obsessed with consistency. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is permanent. There will be days when you don't feel like working, learning, or improving. Do it anyway. The people who achieve legendary comebacks aren't the most talented. They're the most consistent. And finally, remember this. The people who seem unstoppable today were often underestimated yesterday. The people who inspire millions were once struggling in silence. Your current situation is not your final destination. A legendary comeback doesn't happen in a single day. It happens the moment you decide that your story isn't over yet. So start today, stay focused, stay patient, and one day, the same people who doubted you will be amazed by how far you've come. Because the greatest comeback of your life starts with a decision, the decision to never give up on yourself. Subscribe for more psychology and self-improvement insights.